Zoe and Zia again.
Hi, good morning everyone. Good morning guys. So papunta kami ngayon guys sa Jollibee. Magla-lunch kami doon dahil iti-treat namin si Mamay at si Sia kasi uuwi na si Mamay next month. So bago siya, of course with you anak.
You are the boss.
You're the boss. You are the one gonna pay, okay?
You have to pay.
I'm not gonna pay.
Kailangan namin siya igala bago siya umuwi. Magbanding-banding muna kami, guys. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello everyone. Good morning.
Say hi at Ashby. Hi! Auntie, talaga bibi ka. Auntie. Okay, see you later. Dito kami, guys, kakain sa Rimba Point. Nandito na kami. Ayan. Rimba Point. So, magde-date kami ni Mamay kasi malapit na si Mamay umuwi. Kaya, igagala ko siya ngayon. Kaso lang, hindi siya pwede magtagal kasi masakit ang paa ng aking nanay. Laging sumasakit dahil may edad na din. So, nandun na sila sa harapan. Naghihintay sila dyan, guys. Let's go na. Ashby, let's go. Nakabuelo na naman si Ashby. Puno ang Jollibee, guys. Kasi lunch time. Dito. Ay, naku, makato sila sa ano. Ma-order na lang tayo, guys, sa Jollibee. Kakain na tayo ng ice cream muna.
Because they're cooking like normally like this. Show the camera. Yeah, it's a whole.
Si Ate Sia, ayaw niya ng ice cream. Are you sure, Sia, you don't want ice cream?
Maybe because of coffee, right?
Okay. You finish your food, okay? Si Lola nag-ice cream dyan. Si Ashby ayaw niya kumain. Ito yung food namin. Chicken rice lang siya, guys. Yan. So, kain muna tayo. Their washroom, oh.
Give it to mommy, give it to mommy.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. Don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is caving in.
Is that the slide, Ashby?
Oh, don't you worry. I'll be there
Go play.
whenever you need me. I need
What happened to your
somebody
clothes?
who can love me and my words.
Where's
Oh,
Ate
not
Zoe?
perfect, but I hope you see my
No.
worth. Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do my worst.
Wow, what is that, Ashby? Say hi, guys. I'm playing here. What is that? What color is that, Ashby? What color? Huh? What color is this? Red. Yes, red. How about this? Yellow.
If we stay forever, let me hold
Starfish.
your hand.
It's
I
starfish.
can feel those places in your heart no one else can.
Yay! Guys,
Show
lagi
you
ate.
love, no pretend. I'll be right here,
What
baby.
is
You
that?
know it's in cold swim. No,
Go slide.
don't you worry.
He's watching it.
I'll be there whenever you
Ashby, it's nice.
I need somebody who can love me
Yeah?
in my world.
So,
No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see
okay
my
guys, so
world.
nandito tayo sa
'Cause it's only you,
playground.
nobody
Naglalaro
know
sila
I put you
Ashby,
first.
Zoe, it's kasi
And for
niya.
you, girl, I swear I do my worst.
Ouch! Wow, si Ashby. Wow, Ashby, go! Ashby, go! Go, 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 go! Okay, go, go, go. Come. Come. Yay! Priscilla, yay! Oops, 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 someone is coming. Ashby, come, come, someone is coming. Come. Okay, go. Hello! Say hi! Happy and baby! Wow! Si Ate Zoe. Where's Sia? Okay, later we have to wash feet before we enter house, okay? Oh, your sister is sitting there. Come, Sia, come! Huh? What? OMG! Wow! Careful, Sia. Go, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, good job. Mag-grocery muna kami, guys, kasi bibili kami ng chips ni Sia tsaka ni Zoe. Sasama ko si Mama yung mag-grocery. Go, pre-taste, go. Okay, go. No, no, hindi may. Oh, not spicy, this one. I know, fish, Mamay, I am brand. Nag-pre-taste si Zoe na. Well, how is it, anak? Yummy? Siya, you want pre-taste? Go na, try na, pre-taste. Go na!
Don't check.
Moody, mga moody sila. You want more? Mamay, try na. Ayaw ni Mamay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayaw nila mag-pre-taste. Si Zoe lang ang nag-pre-taste. Feel na feel ni Zoe talaga ang mga free taste dito sa mga grocery store.
Fish is
So,
yummy.
ha?
Fish is
Fish is yummy? So, they want to buy this? Chips. Mama, gusto mo chips? Hmm? May nito na din, grabe. Gusto mo? Cheese balls. Ayaw mo? Hindi healthy? Mga bawal. Si Ashby panay ang takbo. Okay na, pay na. Close na si, this one close. This one close. Here with me, so I will bring go. Come. Ayaw mo, mamay? Bumakal? Ayaw niya.
You have change?
Muna kami guys, nakaupo. Kasi mag-chips sila, kakain sila ng chips. Dito sa taas siguro. Kaya dito muna kami, mag-relax. Mama, hindi may hangin, oh. Yan, dito kami. Si Ashby nandoon na sa taas, umakyat na. I-zoom natin kung kaya ng zoom. Asa na si Ashby? Ayun na, nawala na. Nandun na. So, si Sia masaya na kasi may chips na. Si Ate Zoe, panay ang kain. Careful, Zoe. Can I have little bit? Come, give me here. I will try it. What? Ah! Twisted. Nandiyan na sila, oh. Ay, honey, careful, Ashby, ha? Picture kami dito, guys. Naisipan namin mag-picture family dito para remembrance. Si Mama yan, oh, turista. Ako mag-eyeglass. Ito meron sila, oh, eyeglass. Here also they have here. You can choose here. Cool. Here. Cool. Ayan, tingnan niya. Cool, ayan. Okay. So you guys choose or sunflower.
Better use here.
Okay, choose na, Pastor. May na topi. Tapos yun, oh. Come na, dali na. Dali na. Bata. Tsaka topi. Ayan. Yan. See, look at Lola.
Yeah, you boom lah.
Boom.
Yeah, okay. So then you and Mama.
That's too big. My nose is not ano, ha?
You just need it.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Nahuhulog, oh. Okay, let's go. How to do this?
$1 you have to put.
Tap the screen, select cash. Yeah, you headband.
Need
Select
cash.
quantity and insert check. Check the original photo in QR. Select frame and color. It takes 10 to 15 seconds to print. Okay, let's start.
$1.
I'm this sajja.
Huh?
I'm this sajja pa lagbo. Ami
Oh,
Yay! So cute si Ashby. Oh, insert the coins. I see.
hold on. What coin?
jo bhi already
Smile!
Wait.
We will choose Sadja.
Okay, faster.
Grabe, sobrang init dito, guys. Oh my God, it's 36 degree now.
You can call.
Super hot, duper hot. So, time check now is 3:38 p.m. na. Uuwi na tayo. Ihahatid na natin sila Lola at si Sia. Kasi bukas, guys, maaga pa kami gigising kasi pupunta kami ng church. And mag-picture ulit kami bukas sa studio. And then pupunta kami ng Philippine Embassy bukas. So, need nila mag-rest ng maaga. Kaya uuwi na tayo. Ayan sila. Para na silang pritong lechon. Dahil so hot. Ayan. Masaya na ang mga yan kasi mayroon na silang mga chicheria. Tingnan nyo, guys, ang init. Grabe, oh. Tingnan nyo, para kaming nasa desert. Yung sa Saudi Arabia. Okay, let's go!
So,
Oo.
350.
Mainit doon. Okay, bye-bye!